The Toyota 4Runner is a popular body-on-frame SUV. It excels in off-road conditions, but how does it stack up in a demanding crash test? Let's take a look at the truck's performance in the small overlap test. We can see right away that the 4Runner is no match in this test, with the structure experiencing significant intrusion. Peak intrusion numbers are an astonishing 48 centimeters. The structural integrity is extremely poor, and leaves inadequate survival space for the occupants. The intrusion into the cabin also contributed to a moderate risk of injuries to the driver's legs. Overall, the truck earns a marginal rating, which is the second lowest score. Hopefully Toyota addresses these issues in the next version of the 4Runner. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more interesting videos that explore the world of auto safety.